If you're needing to round up bandits in outlaw country or have a showdown scheduled at high noon, the Legends Smoke Wagon is the 6-shooter you're looking for. From the authentic look, feel, and function, this single-action revolver from 1872 is ready to sling some plastic BBs. Cast in full metal with a nickel-plated style finish along with imitation wood grips, this revolver doesn't just look good, it's ready for serious airsoft gameplay as well. A functional safety can be located on the underside of the frame just in front of the trigger guard. When the safety is engaged, all hammer and trigger functions are blocked. In addition, you may slowly lower the hammer to render the revolver safe when in normal firing operation. The Smoke Wagon shoots at a velocity of approximately 300 feet per second with a .20 gram BB. It's powered by one 12 gram CO2 cartridge that is stored in the grip. Removing the grip panel exposes the CO2 loading area. On the inside of the removed grip panel, you will see and use the built-in hex tool. Simply place the CO2 in its dedicated channel and tighten the piercing screw until you can't hear any CO2 leaking. You can achieve up to 100 shots with one CO2 cartridge when used in optimal conditions. By half cocking the hammer, you can open the cylinder loading hatch and extract each shell by using the spring-loaded extractor rod. You can also try tipping back the revolver and shaking each shell out individually. Load one BB into the rear of the shell and load back into the cylinder. Additional shells are available for purchase at your favorite airsoft retailer. Pulling the hammer fully back will lock and load your shot, ready for you to pull the trigger. Thousands of Smoke Wagon owners can attest to the simple fun that the mechanical operations bring. Many more enjoy the limited edition offerings in different configurations, colors, and barrel lengths, all of them being equally enjoyable to shoot. Slap some leather with the Legends Smoke Wagon single-action CO2 powered revolver from Elite Force. Get your hands on this at your favorite airsoft retailer, or for more information, visit www.eliteforceairsoft.com. Happy trails, partner.